So here's a situation where you have a spa with a Venturi line in the shared wall with the pool. What they do is they entomb them. A lot of the times they're going to use flex pipe. A lot of the times they're going to use a rigid pipe with a lot of 45s, a lot of fittings. It's very rare that we have leaks on a shared wall like this. That's why we're shooting this specific video. We heard everything with our pipe mic. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to drain this thing down. We're going to get it back under pressure. Always measure twice, cut once. And we're going to show you how we put ourselves right over that, how we're going to cut into this wall, we're going to access, we're going to do our repairs, and we're going to put it all back together again. So this is what the spa looks like before we dump it. This is again, it's in a shared wall and it's entombed in that wall. We're going to listen with a pool scope from the pool side while it's under pressure. We're also going to do a static method where we actually just hit it with dye to make sure that we have a consistent pull. Now that we know that, we're going to drain the spa. We're going to put it under pressure, and we're going to actually use our deck plate, and we're going to listen through the top of the wall and through the wall, which is going to put us on the point where we actually need to be. Next, we're going to mark out our location. We're going to set up our diamond blade, and we're going to take a nice controlled cut. That's very important. We're going to pop a piece of tile off because the airline should stub up on here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to chip down into the wall, being very careful. If we can save our tile, we do. And we're going to take it deeper now, and we're going to go back without hitting that pipe. We're going real soft, and here's the actual leak. Here's what was making that noise. And now what we're going to do is we're going to keep getting back to the point where we get our Venturi out. That's what it looks like when it's out. And now what we're going to do is we're going to dry fit. We're going to cut everything back. Remember, we have to plumb the air. We have to plumb the water. We have to plumb everything that we need, and we have a little bit of room to work. So this is what it's going to wind up looking. We want to keep that line flush like we're doing. And again, that's why we're setting our trowel to make sure that that fitting stays flush. Here's our airline up top. We're going to set that all up. So now that we packed this in, we packed it in tight with concrete, then we use a little mortar mix to bring it out. Now next thing we're going to do is take our mixed product. We're going to do an exposed aggregate finish. This is beadcrete, so we actually mixed it up on site. Watch how we got it done. Then we're going to close this thing up, and this job is done. So with beadcrete, we're going to mix our own blends. We're going to mix our own dyes right on site. Here's how we expose it. We're going to get it nice and cleaned up. This is what the patch looks like underwater. Remember, all patches are going to have some cosmetic variation. For more information, visit our website at LeakTronics.com and check out our YouTube channel.